Well, good morning here in Houston. Almost good afternoon on the East Coast. So I'm here on the West Coast for a week. Apologies for the slight delay. Today's is appropriate 29th lecture in the New World series entitled Exploring the Inner Spirits. The reason why it's appropriate was that it's also a birth of a very special person in my life, in God's life, in Dios' life, in the world's life to come. It is Andrea Wen, my master scribe, extremely talented, beautiful, amazing, woman now that, I said, translated my God book into Dios. And from there, my mission goal for both God and our collective has just absolutely spiraled forward and upwards. So I have much to thank for her. She not only translated the God book into Dios, but she also are undertaking translation to 10 further languages. So absolutely amazing. So like I said to you, I can't praise her enough for what she's doing. So it's very, very appropriate that today also happens to be, like I said, coincidence or maybe divine fate, that today is my 29th, as I said, exploring the inner spirit. So last week, I was exploring the outer stars as aliens, as humanity evolving to more advanced form. And based on my twin universe theory, which is a scientific proof to God, it will eventually unleash new technology and new science that will advance human advancement out into the stars, not just exploration, colonization of the moon, Mars, Venus, and our solar system, but far, far beyond. So, but in as I saw from the evolutionary species chart, humankind can even evolve beyond the alien species. What I term aliens as extraterrestrial, leaving the Earth planet. But the 9th level is what I term as angels. Now, again, I don't necessarily mean angels as in wings or halo, or maybe they are, but angels as in beings that can transcend the physicality that we are limited right now in this 3D space, one temporal dimension. But the twin universe is a 10-dimensional, just like the string theory is 10-dimensional. But to traverse multi-dimension, we have to be able to escape from this physical body shell of ours, So so after evolution of the aliens, with the evolution of angels, and that will then allow that species to be able to transcend between the positive universe and the negative universe, and ultimately touch the face of God. So that is what I mean when you always hear me say that, human will eventually evolve and explore the outer stars and the inner spirit. So with the outer stars exploration, it's based, as I mentioned, on the technology and science that will come from the twin universe. The exploration of the inner spirit is obviously a much higher level of explanation of, and I'm not going to spend the time in this short introductory lecture today to go into that. I'll cover a lot more in the future how that evolvement will occur and what are the benefits, as I mentioned to you, with the exploration of outer stars. In principle, you can travel faster than speed of light, but actually, technically, you can already travel speed of light. Einstein's theory of relativity do not limit, as people perceive, traveling faster than speed of light. In fact, space can, technically speaking, be not limited by the speed of light. So actually, that's why these warp drive that people talk about in principle can happen, but you need negative energy to allow that. But the twin universe has a huge source of negative energy, which is this dark energy. So as I mentioned, the twin union can unleash an enormous amount of new science and new technology that will greatly benefit humanity. And also the new unification of the one God, one religion will also release an enormous amount of benefit and advancement for humanity, evolving beyond even that high state to a much, much higher level of humanity that transcend this multi-dimensional phase. So anyway, that's just a little glimpse on the future that is to come. Okay, and as I said, future lectures I'll go into much more detail in both the aliens and the angels. But again, one happy birthday to one angel here on Earth, that is Andrea Wen. God bless you all.